Viewing a menu and placing an order with Jaac is very simple. All the guest has to do is open his phone's camera and point it at the QR code that is on the table, tap the open button, and the menu will load instantly. On top, he has all the different categories for easy access. He can also search for specific ingredients or dishes. And he can get bigger pictures and read additional descriptions if they are available. And he can build his order list with all the things that he would like to eat, choose different options, and once he has collected all the items that he would like to order, he can place an order, even add a comment, and submit the order. He's always informed about the order status, so currently this order has been submitted. He can click on it and he sees it's pending. Once it has been processed and entered into the point of sale system by the staff, it will move to accepted. And also guests have the option to call a waiter or ask for the bill. So that means that the waiting staff will get an instant notification and they know which table needs assistant. So when I call a waiter, now we will issue a push notification on the device of the waiter who's responsible for the table. And again, here on the submitted orders, we keep a history of the actions of the customer. The restaurant app is as easy to use as the guest app, and we provide free downloads for the restaurant app on iOS and on Android. And whenever a staff member starts work, he can log in for a shift. So he can be responsible only for certain tables, which means that he will only get the orders and call notifications for that particular table. So I'm logging here now in for table 1, and I see already there's one order and one waiter call. So the most recent, they're always shown on top. I can review the order and now copy that to the point of sale system. And by toggling, I ensure that really each of the menu items plus the additional order notes are really taken care of and are copied. Now going back, the order goes from pending to completed. I can pull it up later again and see then when the order was received and how fast it was processed. And all the assistant calls I get here as well. I know here that table 1 needs assistant. If I'm not able to attend it immediately, I want to keep it in the queue. I click later, but if I can go there immediately, I will hit it done and it's being processed as well. I go to the table and assist the customer. On top of that, we have also the ability to edit the menu, so I can access the entire menu here. With all the different items, I can quickly change prices, or if certain menu items are not available anymore, I can toggle them off. And from that moment onwards, when another customer scans a QR code, views the menu, that menu item will no longer be available.